Welcome to your Lean in 15 upper body arms workout. Oh yes, today we're going to target that upper body and get lean. And we all know that the most important thing about getting results is your nutrition. And that's why we have opened up the free 5-Day Better You program to absolutely everybody. Oh yes, by signing up right now in this link just here, you're going to get access to one of my amazing coaches. All of these coaches are personally trained by me. They're going to take you through 5 videos to help you with your mindset, your nutrition, and also your fitness. And guess what? They're even going to give you your own customized nutrition plan at the end and coach you for a couple of days to make sure that you get great results. We've had amazing transformations with this 5-Day Better You program, and I can't wait for you to get paired up with one of my amazing BTES coaches and get started seeing faster results. All right, guys, let's start to get lean in 15. All right, we're going to take those arms out to the side. We're going to do every exercise for 35 seconds. We're going to have a 10-second rest if you want it. And that's why it's the Lean in 15 challenge. Because if you want the extra challenge, we're not going to drop our arms down. So we're going to take little arm circles going backwards. Last couple of exercises, if you want to add in weights that you can. But right now, we are just going to get started. So if you drop your arms down, that's okay. But try and come back the next time and do it again. That's it. All this is about is getting lean in 15. So keep those arms up, arms out to the side, and just small circles going backwards. Okay, let's get rid of all the distractions that are happening in your life today so that you can focus just for 15 minutes on this amazing workout to help you get lean. All right, lift that chest up. Now, added challenge, you're going to keep those arms up and you're just going to hold it out right here. Next exercise, we're going to take those arm circles going forwards. So take a look at your arms right now, extend them out to the nice and long, and let's take it forwards into those little circles. That's it, you've got this. Okay, you're going to start to feel it burning in about minute 3. And you're going to want to feel like you want to drop your arms, but I'm going to challenge you because we are in the Lean in 15 upper body challenge to keep those arms up. So little circles going forward. Oh yes, if you've done this with me before, you know what's coming. And when we do this together at one of my retreats that I host right here, which by the way is exclusive for all BTES members who are on the 5-Day Better You program and then started on a nutrition plan, that's how you get access to our retreats. I do this in real life. And if anybody stops, we have to start all over again. All right, we're gonna hold it onto that rest right here. And the next exercise, we're gonna take it, pulses just going up. So palms facing straight up, nice and long. You've got this. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, and straight up. We got this 15 minutes of just pure exercise moving our body. And if you're here in real life with me, all right, you've been to one of my retreats, we do this together and we encourage everybody and we do not quit. Oh no, so just imagine that you are right here with me in my back garden and you are working out with a whole bunch of amazing people in this community and we are doing this together. Big hugs. All right, here we go. Come on, 13 seconds right here. Keep those arms up nice and straight. You're gonna start to feel it right now. I know that we can. We're gonna take those pulses going down next. Guess what? Then we're going to go forwards and backwards. It's the mindset. You can either take a quick rest right here or you can keep pulsing up and down. How's it feeling? All right, don't write in the chat just yet. All right, after we've released those arms, I want you to let me know how you're feeling on a scale of 1 to 10. Because right now you might be about a 5, but by the time that we've done with this arm exercise, you might be a 10. So let's keep it going. Those pulses going down, lifting up that chest and extending those arms nice and long. You've got this. All right, now we're going to work on that mindset. Remember, if you think you can, if you think you can't, you are right. We want to keep on pushing forward. So lift up through the chest and tiny little pulses up and down. Can you make those pulses even smaller? Yes, we can. All right, we've got about another minute here. We're going to do those pulses going forward next in 3, 2, 1, but hold it out to the side. If you really need to drop it, hold it for another 5 seconds and then I'll let you drop it down. But come on, we are creating that confidence and that belief that we can do anything. When we create the belief in our workouts, we're going to be able to do it in our outside world as well. Pulses going forwards. Come on, here we go. You've just got one more lot of 30 seconds after this and we're going to take those pulses going backwards. Looking good, everybody, looking strong. Let's stay the course. Stay throughout this whole workout. You can do it. All you have to do to get results, my friends, is to keep showing up to these workouts every day, right? And remember, in the BTES app, it tells you exactly what workout to do when. And that's what we want to keep on going. So let's take these little pulses going forward in 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's take them going backwards. Let's hit little backwards going, out we go. Come on, now lift up through the chest. I know it's burning, it is on fire, but here we go. Keep on pushing forwards. This is the last 35 seconds right here. Lifting up through the chest, pulling that core in nice and tight and taking those pulses going backwards. Here we go. We have got 25 seconds right here. hold those arms up, challenge yourself. You can do this. Now get into the mindset of I am gonna keep on going. I'm gonna keep on making this happen. No matter what, I've got the strength, I've got the belief. Here we go, keep breathing, and we've got this. Count down with me for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold, and you're gonna take the arms right here and we're gonna take it into chicken wings up and down. So bring those elbows out to the side. I know you can have a quick 10-second rest if you want, or you're gonna keep on going right here. We've got this. Now pull that core in nice and tight, lifting up through the chest, pushing down into your feet, and just taking those arms out to the side. Think about squeezing your back together. That's it, shoulders up and squeeze down. Lifting up through the chest, pushing those feet down into the ground and tucking that core underneath. We've got this, come on, let's keep going. Bring it in and out. 15 seconds to go right here, and then we're gonna take it into some elbow squeezes. Oh yes, take it out to the side and extend. Looking good. You're looking so strong. Those arms are on fire. Let's keep it moving. Here we go. We've got this for 3, 2, 1. All right, we're gonna shoot those arms out and then squeeze those elbows in. So lift straight up and then bring it in towards you. Thinking about using the back to squeeze your arms in, and everything should be on fire right now. If you are on fire, I want you to put in the chat, I'm on fire. I can feel this, all right? I want to feel that you guys are actually feeling the burn as well. It is definitely the hashtag I can feel the burn, Rebecca, today. Here we go. Come on, let's keep on working nice and strong. We're already 5 minutes into our workout, and we are going to keep on going. Just another 10 minutes to get that upper body nice and lean. Now extend those arms up and really think about squeezing those shoulders in. That's it, lifting up through the chest, breathing in and out, lift and squeeze. Here we go. Come on, we got 10 more seconds right here. Count down with me for 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay, we're gonna take those arms up and we're gonna bring those elbows in and out, 90 degrees. That's it. Taking those elbows straight out to the side so you've got that nice straight line all the way through, and then bring it in and out. Have you dropped your arms yet? Have you kept on going? Amazing if you did. And look, if you had to have a little rest right now, it's okay as you keep on doing this workout. And that's why it's important to come back to a certain workout to see how much you've progressed and how far that you've come. Here we go. Take it in and squeeze. Breathe through it. Come on. You can keep those arms nice and lifted. We're going to get a little rest in just a second. We're going to start to work on those triceps, but bring that in and extend out. That's it. Try and tap the elbows. Squeeze it a little bit more. Bring those arms out to the side. Try not to arch your back for 3, 2, 1, and release. All right, so let's take it into some tricep work. Oh yes, the top of the arms is really on fire. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna take it into little pulses going all the way up. So palms are up. We're gonna take it to palms in and then out and down. So you're gonna be here for a little bit. So pull that core in nice and tight, lean forward just a little bit more, and really think about those triceps working. And if you are a beast right now and you wanna add in some 2-pound weights, go for it. You're just gonna feel a little bit more resistance, and you're gonna have to work just a little bit harder. All right, 15 seconds right here. Tiny little pulses. Can you make them just a little bit smaller? Now try and release the shoulders away from the ears and sink down. That's it. Pushing your feet down into the ground, leaning slightly forward. You're going to feel it more in those triceps. Okay, now we're going to bring those palms facing in. Same thing, 35 seconds, just palms in. If you need to have a quick rest, you've got 5 seconds, and then come back and join us right here. That's it. Now pull the core in, lean a little bit forward. As you lean forward, you're going to feel it more in the tricep muscle. So that bingo wing area that we're looking to tone up and lean out. Here we go. That's it. And if you use weights, it's not going to bulk you up. It's very, very hard, in fact, to actually bulk. And that's why if you get one of my amazing BTS coaches on the 5-Day Better You program, you're going to get amazing results because they're going to give you a customized nutrition plan that is just for you. That's it. Now, little pulses. Try and lift those arms up just a little bit higher. Lean forward for the last 4, 3, 2, 1. Don't rest yet. We're going to turn those palms going out. If you want to hold it right here, you can. If you want to start to pulse, if you need a rest, quick sip of water, you've got 5 seconds, and then come back and join us and taking those pulses going out. Oh yes, and it's going to feel a little bit awkward. That's totally normal. You just kind of want to work on that coordination. Again, lean forward a little bit more. Try and lift those arms up higher and think about having something really heavy either side of you. You're pushing out on a wall. Pull that core in, belly button in towards your spine. Give yourself a smile because you are still here. You're rocking it. You're moving through the moves, and that's what it's all about. Here we go. Come on, we're gonna go one more round after this. We're gonna take those palms facing down. So palms will face down and we'll take it into those little pulses. Here we go, let's rep it out, this last part. Pulling that core in nice and tight. Come on, 3, 2, 1. All right, you can have a rest, or you're gonna bring those palms down and we're gonna take it little pulses. Oh yes, can you feel the difference? That's why we're taking the arms in, out, upside down, all over the place to really target every single muscle in that tricep. Now lift that arm just a little bit higher up, pull that core in nice and tight, and here we go. Oh my goodness, yes, we got this. We're gonna pick up the weights in just a second for the last couple of exercises, but let's stay really strong right here, pulling that core in towards our waist and taking those pulses going straight back. You've got this, looking strong. Here we go, lean forward just a little bit more. Can you bring those arms up higher? Really targeting that bicep muscle, the tricep. Here we go for the last part. Breathe through it, come on, inhale through your nose, exhale everything out for 3, 2, 1, and gently release. Oh my goodness, arms are like jelly. Pick up one of your weights and we're gonna take it into a bicep curl to an overhead press. So you're gonna bicep curl in like this and then you can extend all the way up to the sky. That's it, so just take it across your body and then push straight up to the sky. That's it, pull that core in nice and tight and take it across. That's it, look at that bicep. You are working. Now if you do not have weights, just grab your water bottle right here. Just this action and this motion is gonna help you tone up your bicep muscle. That's it, and they're getting nice and lean. Woo, who can already feel themselves getting lean? Yes. Bring it across and then shoot all the way back up to the sky, pulling that core in nice and tight. That's it, take it through. 3, 2, 1, and release. All right, let's take it over to the other side. So you're gonna swing it across your body, take it all the way down, and then straight up to the sky. That's it, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Bicep curl, just straight up. And that's it, pulling that core in nice and tight, taking it across the body, and all we go, all the way up to the sky, nice and tight. Now, I've got 5-pound weights right here. You can probably go 8 pounds, even 10 pounds. You're not gonna get bulky. We're gonna get lean. Extend that arm up to the sky. Do not arch your back as you extend it all the way up to the top. Here we go. I'm sure that the arms are tingling. Everything's on fire, but let's keep on pushing forward. You showed up here for a reason today. And extend it up. Here we go. For the last part. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, nice work, everybody. We're gonna take that weight over the top of your head and we're gonna take it into some little tricep dips and little pulses. All we're gonna do is we're gonna take it into dips right here. We got this. Now pull that core underneath. What we do not want is an arch back right here. We want to tuck the hips underneath. So slight bend in the knee and you're just taking very, very small little pulses up and down. That's it. Tucking those hips underneath, lifting up through your chest, pulling the ribs down. And just breathing through it. I know everything's tingling, everything's on fire, but we're gonna do this. We're gonna make sure that we keep on going nice and strong. Inhale through your nose, exhale everything out. Last couple of minutes right here, do not quit. We gotta keep on pushing forwards with every single rep for 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay, grab hold of your other weight. We're gonna take it into front raises. So bring those weights facing towards you. You're gonna extend straight up and bring it all the way down. Here we go. Now pull that core in nice and tight. Shoot those arms straight out in front and bring that belly button in towards your spine. Think about the shoulders and the back lifting up your arms. You're not leading with your hands or the weights. You are leading with your upper body that is lifting those arms straight out in front. Here we go. Come on. Last couple of exercises right here. Every single rep counts. Now pull that core in nice and tight, extend straight out in front of you, keeping a slight bend in those elbows just to not lock out those joints, and extend straight forward. Here we go, stay strong in the motion. Don't arch your back, we're not thinking about doing this, lifting it all up. If it's too heavy, just drop it down. 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay, we're gonna take side extensions. We're gonna do one at a time. So let's start off with that right arm and bring it out to the side and bring it back in again. Now hold the other weight in your hand and give it a little bit of a bend in the elbow to work with that resistance. That's it, here we go. Extend up, nice and tall. Can you stand just an inch or two taller up? That's it, here we go. Stand proud, you are almost through this workout, crushing it all the way through the end, tucking those hips underneath, squeeze those glutes to protect your lower back, extend that arm out nice and long, and breathe through it. Inhale through your nose and exhale out. Come on, here we go. Hold that weight in the other arm, slight bend in that elbow, and shoot that arm straight out. 3, 2, 1, and last part. Okay, here we go. Let's wiggle out, wiggle out. We're gonna take it out onto the left side. So again, adjust your body, tucking those hips under, squeezing those glutes to protect your lower back, push down into the feet, and let's lift that arm out to the side. Using your shoulder, using the back, take it all the way out, and then lifting up through the chest. Here we go. Okay, we've got one more exercise after this, and then you are done. Yes, and we're gonna take it back into those frontal raises. Just 35 seconds of frontal raises, and then we are completed. All right, here we go. Extend out to the side. Smile through it. Yes, we're here, we've arrived, and we're gonna finish this workout. Do not quit now. You wanna keep on pushing forward. You wanna get those last couple of reps in, as many as you can. Extend that arm out to the side. 3, 2, 1, and the last part, we're gonna take it straight out in front. Come on, here we go. Shake it out like you've never done an exercise before today. We've got all of the energy, and let's extend those arms right out in front. 35 seconds right here, bringing that core in nice and tight, and then lifting all the way up to the sky. Here we go. All right, so what is your first thing that you're gonna do after you've done this workout? You're gonna go book your call with my amazing coach. Yes, get started on the 5-Day Better You program. It is incredible. Not only is it gonna give you an amazing nutrition plan, but it's gonna change your life. I know that seems like so crazy, but trust me, once you've gone through it and you've connected with our coaches and we start to work on your mindset and where you are right now, it is gonna be an absolute game changer for you. And you can be from anywhere in the world. We contact you all toll free. All right. Here we go, and relax, just like that, you are done. Yes, we can call you through Skype, through WhatsApp, through Telegram, through Zoom, loads of ways that you do it, so you don't have to pay anything. We take care of all of that for you guys. Well, oh my goodness, my arms literally feel like this. I feel like I'm gonna be tying my hair up like this tomorrow. If that's how you feel too, let me know in the comments. Check out a number of these workouts for me, and I can't wait to see you at one of my retreats right here.